Here is a step-by-step guide to create a gratitude journal that can make you over $7,000. Make sure to save this video for later. Step 1, we need to get the interiors like this. And I'll show you how you can get this for free. Step 1, head over to this website called kdpdownload.com and search for KDP interiors. You can get tons of interiors like this for free. You can even find the gratitude journal like this. Just head over and click on it. You can buy it for 30 cents or you can download it for free. This interior is great because it can be edited with Canva. Import your design on Canva like this. Edit it as your own to make it very unique. Once you finish this, just go to share and just download this. And download it as PDF. Step 2, go to this website called kdprank.com and get started with a free account. Once you sign up, search for Gratitude Journal for Kids and press Get Keywords. And this tool will give you all the keywords that you need for your title and subtitle of your book, with the search volume and the number of competing products. So choose the ones with the high search volume and lowest number of competing products. Using these keywords in your title will help you rank first page on Amazon and ultimately make sale. Step 3, go to Amazon KDP and sign up for a free account. And Amazon will do the printing and the shipping for your book. Go to kdptips.com to download the Amazon KDP for Beginners Guide.